rya St Adolf Tubeyerwa Senior Secondary School Vincent Barakuraha yashobora kwishomereri ryatandikira mu mwaka gwa 1985 gukando bwa hati abeja barukurengo mu 10 bo barukushomeramo ogu yashobora ngwishomereri n'uburabiri nabeja bubona rinabashomesi 12 bonka abarukushashurwa Gavumenti abashomesa 35 abari mu Eishomero ndiyo rumwe ombundi buremezi uburi mu Eishomereri uri mukuru w'Eishomero ashobora nagira ngo Eishomero turine byuma byo kozesa umza laboratory za science kandi bizimbe ibyabashomesa barukurara mu teriho no mabana barukushomera biri mu mbera mbi munonga muringo nugogumwe barakuraha nashobora ngo umbebuzo ebyo mwakogu bakahandikisa abana 503 okushitame bibuzo bicyakana kandi abana nshanje na babiri bo barikuza kushitame bibuzo bicyamukaga mu Eishomero ndiyo rumwe ukatebeineho kubashitamisa.
When I joined this school, the enrollment was 800, but as for now we have moved a step forward and we have about 1,026 students. We are understaffed, dear ladies and gentlemen. Out of 35 teachers who are helping our young boys and girls to succeed, we have 12 teachers on government payroll. All the others are paid locally by the parents.
Babiri bari mu rukungano urwabeja bashitamireho mu Eishomereri agaba Vail Albert Zayid or principal physical planner aba Kampala Capital City Authority and urkwebe imbere kigombe kiri kukeita beje abashomeriho mu Eishomereri ashoborera ngo abeje abashomeriho mu Eishomereri barunde inesente ziri kurengo mu miliyoni 10 zesente za Uganda ngo kandi beja kuzikozesa ukombe korgo rukwetoro Eishomereri atunko kutakira Gavumenti okwimitsiramo urebeka ngo yashagika Eishomerero mu buremezi butari bumwe na bumwe oburimo kubombekera laboratory ya computer oteriho nebindi bizimbe ebero kwetengeso mu Eishomero.
In a polling state, the administration block and all other classes, and we also have realized that we are missing a science, computer lab and an agricultural lab, plus a lack of transport, dedicated transport like a school bus. So when we realized all these problems, and after discussion, we found it fitting that as old boys and old girls, we should work hand in hand with the parents and the teachers, the administration, the board of governors, to ensure that we can address some of these challenges.
Muringo nugogume Johnson Habasa washomeriho mu Eishomereri kandi bwahati uri umushomesa ayitendekero rya Tambogo University nawe naye hanangiriza buri mu buturu kwataho uteriho na Gavumenti ya rwagati kurebeka ngo yimitsiramu yashagika Eishomereri abo kubaririyo mu mbera mbe munonga kandi obo yashiza abantu bo mutano mu ihangeri.
I call upon government to support this mighty school if we are indeed to have socio-economic transformation.
Umutwe mukuru gorukungana urwabeja bashomeriho mu Eishomereri ngo beriguri revamping a historical government school for academic excellence. Kandi umujenyi mukuru abera y'umuhezi wa RDC wa district ya Kagadi Benjamin Tumusime makoraga gacha kwa Andrew Musinguzi aba Sky TV ya Genshonga muri Kagadi.